This 8-piece Skroam cereal container set offers generous 4-liter capacity in each bin, making it practical for storing everything from breakfast cereal to pasta, rice, and pet food in one coordinated system. The containers use a secure locking lid with silicone seals around both the top and the spout, which helps keep dry food crisp by blocking out air, moisture, and dust. A built-in spout and included interchangeable pour attachments make it easy to dispense cereal or grains neatly without removing the entire lid or scattering crumbs on the counter. The ergonomic side grips and molded measurements on the body make the containers comfortable to handle and allow you to quickly see how much food you have left. Their tall, slim shape and stackable design help reclaim shelf space in pantries, cupboards, and even refrigerators, giving a cluttered kitchen a more orderly look. The set is made from food-safe plastic, includes a measuring cup plus labels and a marker for clear identification, and the bases can go in the dishwasher for straightforward cleaning.